Good morning, students. So, as you know, we had completed dot product, okay, as well as projection of a vector on a line and projection of a vector on a vector. Suppose A is a vector and B is also a vector, non-zero vector. Actually, for projection it is needed. This is non-zero vector. And if you want to find the projection of A on B, projection of A on B, then this is simply A dot B cap, and projection of B on A, B dot A cap. Okay? So this is the projection. And what is dot product? You know very well, A dot B is mod of A, mod of B, cos theta. And angle between two vectors is cos inverse A dot B upon mod of A, mod of B. So this is angle between two vectors. You know very well, you have already studied in the physics also. Okay. Now we are going to start cross product. Afterwards, scalar triple product. This is not in syllabus, but I have to teach you scalar triple product. So first of all, cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors, or it is also known as vector product. क्या बोलते हैं ना? Vector product. So let A and B are two non-zero vector, and angle between them is theta, and angle between them is theta. ठीक है? A and B are two vectors and angle between them is theta. Then cross product of vectors A and B is denoted by A cross B and is defined as A cross B is equals to mod of A, mod of B, sin theta n cap. Mod of A, mod of B, sin theta n cap, or where we write here I am going to write it, or A cross B is AB sin theta n cap. What is the meaning of AB? This is mod A and mod B. Okay, magnitude of the vectors. And what about n cap? What is the value of n cap? And what about the n cap? So n cap is nothing but unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Here I am going to erase it. Okay, cross product. And here write n cap is unit vector. Always remember, unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. This is most important thing. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So please note it down, then explain. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. That means if you draw vector A and B, then what is the direction of A n cap? Suppose this is vector A and this is vector B. Then this one is unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Always remember this. The direction of this is not this. Actually, this is the direction. Okay, but this is two-dimensional plane. That's why I am drawing like this. Okay, n cap. So n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So first important remark or thing is, sometimes question is asked like, find the unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. Okay, see. So sometimes question is asked like, find the unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. So always remember, okay, unit vector perpendicular to any vector. Always any two vector, na? So this is nothing but cross product of that vector upon modulus of that cross product. Okay. So suppose if we need to find unit vector perpendicular to A and B, directly I am just going to see A and B. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B. So this is nothing but n cap A cross B divided by mod of A cross B. Always remember, this is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. और कितनी बार इसका क्वेश्चन पूछा गया? Okay, so write down a question and then after we see another remark. Okay, so first of all you write this one and then write a question. So write down this. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors. Find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B, A plus B and A minus B, A plus B and A minus B, where A is equals to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, I cap plus J cap plus K cap, and B is equals to 2I cap plus J cap, 2I cap plus J cap. Sorry, B is equals to I cap plus 2J cap. Sorry, beta. I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. Okay. So I am just going to explain you the process, but you have to do yourself. Okay. Unit vector perpendicular to both. So suppose C is equals to A plus B. Okay. C is equals to A plus B. Okay. So you add A and B. You know, simply add. How to add? I, 2I, J, 3J cap plus 4K cap. Understood? Yes. Okay. D is equals to A minus B. D is equals to A minus B. And you know very well what is A minus B. I cap 0. I minus J cap and K minus 2K cap. Understood? Yes. Minus J cap minus 2K cap. Do you know this thing? Yes, sir. Okay. Now let A, B, C, D you use. So P cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both. What? Now C and D, no? Yes, sir. C and D? Yes, sir. Clear? So P cap is nothing but C cross D divided by mod of C cross D. Understood? So you know how to find C cross D? Yes, sir. Matrix method? Yes, sir. I cap, J cap, K cap? Yes, sir. You know? Yes, sir. Simply, if you want to find C cross D, then simply it is C cross D. Here you write I cap, J cap, K cap. Okay? I cap, J cap and K cap. And here coefficient you write. First one C is what? 2, 3 and you know this thing? And D is 0, -1, -2. Clear? So you know to find this one, I cap, then this row and this column, I cap, J cap, J cap, and then find the modulus of C cross D. Whatever C cross D, you just find modulus of that and put it here. You get the unit vector perpendicular to both A plus B and A minus B, that is C plus D and C and D. A plus B and A minus B, that is C and D. So this is the most important question. So please do it. So first thing is clear. If you want to find unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, then this is nothing but A cross B upon mod of A cross B. Now second observation is that as in dot product, A dot B is a real number and scalar quantity. Okay, but here A cross B is nothing but a vector quantity. A cross B is, this is the second remark, is a vector quantity. क्या होगा ये बेटा? इसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो क्या होगा? Vector quantity या vector simply. A cross B is a vector. But as in dot product, A dot B is a real number as well as scalar one. But here this is vector. Okay. Now second one. Let A and B are two non-zero vectors. A and B are two non-zero vector, zero vector. A and B are two non-zero vector. Then A dot B is equal to 0. Then A dot B is equal to 0 if and only if A are, then A cross B is equal to 0, non-zero vectors, then A cross B is equal to 0 if and only if, I double F means beta, if and only if A and B are parallel to each other. If and only if A and B are parallel to each other. That is, A cross B must be 0 if and only if A is parallel to B. A is parallel to B. Or you can say A and B are collinear. Also you can say A and B are collinear. That means you get another method to find, to prove two vectors are collinear. That should be A cross B 0. Yes. Understood? There is another method to prove two vectors are collinear. That is what? A cross B must be equal to 0. That means A cross B is 0, then they are parallel or collinear. Understood? But in A dot B, if A dot B is 0, then A and B are perpendicular. Clear? Cross means 0, that is parallel. Parallel. But in dot 0, then this is perpendicular. Okay? And this is the method to show two vectors are parallel or collinear. A cross B is 0 and two vectors are perpendicular, then A dot B must be 0. Clear? Okay. Now solve a question. Find mod of A cross B. Find mod of A cross B mod of A cross B if A is equals to 2I cap plus J cap plus 3K cap, 3K cap, B is equal to 3I cap, 3I cap plus 5J cap minus 2K cap. Okay, find A mod of A cross B. So solve it. Now you know very well what is the value of I cross Next remark, this is I cross j cap, this is k cap, j cross k cap, this is I cap, you know, k cross I cap, this is j cap, okay, and reverse order, this is negative, that means j cross I cap, this is minus k cap. You know very well this thing? Yes. Okay, now the most important thing, area of triangle whose sides are A and represented by the vector A and vector B. This is nothing but half of mod of A cross B. You know this thing? Yes. Only simply this is the side AB and AC, AB and BC, whatever it is, no problem. Okay, not a position vector. ठीक है ना? अभी पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ अ पॉइंट ए बी सी दे देगा वो दूसरी चीज होगी. ठीक है, साइड ए बी है, वेक्टर ए बी एंड वेक्टर बी सी, वेक्टर सी है, वट एवर. ओके, सो दिस इज हाफ ऑफ ए क्रॉस. ओके, सिमिलरली सी हियर, सपोज दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल ए बी, सपोज दिस इज बी सी. ओके, ए के सामने ए है, बी के सामने बी है. Okay, so this is the vector A, this is the vector B. Okay, this is theta, then what? Mod of A cross B. Half of mod of A cross B. This is the simply area of triangle. कहीं पे भी दो साइड्स होंगी. क्या होंगी? दो साइड्स होंगी. ठीक है, नॉट अ पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट ए. अगर दे देगा पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट ए, पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट बी, पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट सी, तो वो तो ओ ए, ओ बी एंड ओ सी होता है ना. In that you have to find AB, then OB minus OA, BC, OC minus OB. You understand this thing? Yes. Always remember, okay? Similarly, if adjacent side of a parallelogram it is given, the last one is if adjacent side A and B, this is the adjacent side of a parallelogram, na? This is the adjacent side of a parallelogram. In this case, area of parallelogram is nothing but what? Area of parallelogram is nothing but mod of A cross B. Mod of A cross B. Mod of A cross B. Always remember, okay? If A and B represent diagonal of a parallelogram, A and B is represent जो भी है, is diagonal of parallelogram, then area is half of mod of A cross B. अब इस area of triangle and area of पैरेललोग्राम में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होगा अगर ए और बी क्या है? डायगोनल्स है. क्लियर है? ओके. सो नाउ यू राइट डाउन अ क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. राइट डाउन. Find area of a triangle having points A 1 1 1, B 1 2 3 and C 2 3 1, C 2 3 1 as its vertices. अब देखिए बेटा, यही आपको समझना है, ये ए बी सी पॉइंट जो दिया है ना, दीज आर द वर्टिसेस ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू गिवन ओ ए, ओ बी एंड ओ सी, नॉट ए बी बी सी ए सी, है ना. ये ओरिजिन के थ्रू रिस्पेक्ट में ये पॉइंट्स देते हैं. किसके रिस्पेक्ट में? ओरिजिन के रिस्पेक्ट में. So always remember this one, OC, OA, यहाँ पे B पॉइंट ले लेते हैं, ठीक है ना, B जो भी रहा हो, ठीक है,
1 2 3
1 2 and now join this. This is your
triangle.
triangle. This and this is the triangle. Clear? Now AB, if you want to find AB, adjacent side, which one the adjacent side? AB and BC. AB and BC is adjacent side, or AC and CB is adjacent side, or AB and AC is adjacent side. तो कोई भी निकाल लीजिए आप, कोई दो साइड निकालिए, AB BC निकाल लीजिए, उसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करिए, है ना, एंड हाफ ऑफ द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, मॉड ऑफ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, ओके।
मान लीजिए AB निकालेंगे तो B माइनस A करते हैं ना।
हाँ, B माइनस से मीन्स AB मीन्स OB माइनस
OB माइनस OA।
AC if you want to find OC minus BC if you want to find OC minus OB. This is the position vector form. Okay? So thank you for today.